Hello and welcome to today's lecture. Today I'm going to talk to you about a few important things that will help you throughout your practice. The first thing I want to talk to you about is cueing. I will cue your movements in order for you to move your body. These don't have to be perfect. I might say 5 different cues and you might only comprehend or understand one. That's perfectly fine. The cues are actually designed for you to progress upon. So there might be one that helps you one day and a different one that helps you the next. So just tune into what you're able to hear and what you're able to follow along with, and your body will do the rest. I will also cue your breathing. Breathing is very important in yoga, and it's actually one of the most important things that you can do, but it does take practice to get it down. So as I tell you to inhale or exhale, just follow along and do your best, and you will learn this practice with your yoga practice as well. Another thing that I want to bring up is Sanskrit terminology. Sanskrit is the original language which yoga was derived upon, and every posture has its own Sanskrit name. You'll learn some of these as I teach them. I usually will use the English word most because I think that that is going to be the most beneficial to you.